This video is sponsored by Starbright, manufacturers of fuel additives, appearance chemicals, air care, and other specialty products. Visit starbright.com for more information.
Has a bad smell in a vehicle ever resulted in a lower CSI score? Are you missing out on upsell opportunities by not offering odor removal as an add-on service? Remember, customer satisfaction happens in the mind of the customer. And with new innovations in deodorizing technology, there's no reason why any repair shop can't cash in on the science of smell. Here's how. Chlorine dioxide is hands down the best method that exists to eliminate odors. While it shares a similar name with chlorine, it's definitely not chlorine. Chlorine dioxide, or ClO2, is a powerful oxidizer, but much less aggressive than ozone or chlorine. So how does this apply to cars? Well, as a gas, it can get into every nook and cranny of the vehicle and eliminate the bacteria that is really causing the odors. Bacteria that's left behind from everyday things like food, spilled drinks, wet dogs, or even sweat. It also breaks down the molecules that make up smoke odors. While this sounds high-tech, it's important to know that there are inexpensive and easy-to-use products on the market that let you offer ClO2 odor elimination as a service. Most application times are between 4 to 6 hours, and some treatments you can even set up and leave overnight. The best part is that what you can charge is sometimes as much as 40 times your cost, and most only take a few minutes of your time to set up. When choosing a treatment, be sure to look for EPA-registered products, as only those can guarantee they've been tested for safety and efficacy. So there you have it, your opportunity to cash in. Or maybe you just want to make it an add-on service to gain some reputation points and a higher CSI. Odor removal service in exchange for a good review could bring in a lot more business.